Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. We are cooking candied yams, everybody. Fresh candied yams. Okay, so what we did, we washed our sweet potatoes and we went on to make sure we peeled them nice and make sure all the hull is off of the top of it. Then we went on and sliced them up into like slices as seen here. Oh my goodness, grandmother, this is such a great thing to do. Oh yeah, and you even get the kids in there. So we layered a pot. Okay, we did the potatoes, then we added some brown sugar, we added some sugar, we added some fresh butter, and we crumbled more brown sugar, and you layer it as you go along as the slices as you see here. So you keep on stacking and stacking like a lasagna. You mean a lasagna? Yeah, lasagna. And so you go ahead and stack it up, and then the top part is going to have the butter and the brown sugar and the extra sugar on top of that, and add some vanilla all through the layers as well. But look at this. This is how we're going to go ahead and cook it on the stove. Oh, we're not going to do it in the oven? No, we're going to do it on the stove. Oh, okay. Even though we usually bake ours in the oven, but we're going to cook it on the stove today. Oh, okay. All right, everybody. Now we have our yams or sweet potatoes inside of the pot ready for a nice boil. We have our butter, cinnamon, nutmeg, and we have our vanilla and a little bit of water. And we have stacked everything up accordingly. Now we're going to put a top on it. Now make sure your top has a steamer opening on it, because you want to make sure it's kind of venting a little bit. So we're going to open ours up, okay? This is my old pot. I had it for many years. I don't even remember the name of this thing, but those are the best pots, the old ones. Okay, so we have the vent open. Now, if you don't have a vented pot, you can take your pot, your lid, and leave it off. See that over here? Have a little opening so a little steam can escape your yams in the pot. Okay, everybody? Now, usually I bake them in the oven because, you know, I have dentures now. I have old people's teeth. So I had like mine kind of mushed up. And that's how we eat it here at, you know, Mama Soul Kitchen, because that's how we did it for years. Now, it's easy to digest and everything else. You ain't got to wrestle with it. But anyway, we're going to make restaurant yams. This is the old Southern style in the pot. A lot of people have written me and said, hey, can't you just do it inside a pot? That's how you do real Southern yams. I'm telling you. I'm from the South. My grandmother's from the South. Houston, Texas. Okay? If you get the cookbook, it explains everything and why. But I'm going to tell you right now, she did her sweet potatoes in the oven. And that's how I was raised, by the oven as well. Okay, now here we go. So we're going to put this lid back on because we have a steamer on this. We have a hole open there. And we're going to come back in about a half an hour and see how it's done. And then we're going to bring it to a boil first. And then we're going to turn it down to a medium burn. Okay? Stay tuned. Now, it's been about 20 minutes. It's at full bubble boil. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn down the flames down to a medium fire, everybody. Turn it down. Yes, we are. And we're going to let that cook on the low, on a medium low. Okay, everybody? For a good 40 more minutes. Now, we're going to come back when it's done. We're going to show you the results. Do not touch this top. Do not touch the top. Leave all that good old skillet flavors in there, smothering those nice yams just the way it is. Do not touch the top. The reasons for that is because all of the steam juices is going to go into your potato, all through and out. You'll have the flavors of the cinnamon, the nutmeg, the brown sugar, the vanilla, and the butter. The butter, oh my goodness, this is what makes you want to slap somebody. Okay, grandmother, so we do not touch the top. No, do never touch the top once it's on there. Never touch it. Now, look at that. This is what it looks like. It was a little bit chunkier, but I kind of stirred it up a little bit, and it kind of gets really soft, and it just falls right onto the spoon as beautifulness. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't it? Oh, that looks so delicious. It smells good, too. Well, yeah, this is on the stovetop. This is what people say. This is how they do it in the South. Okay, so we did it in the South. So I hope you guys like, share, and subscribe below if you like what you see. And I did exactly what y'all said what to do, and okay, I got it. It tastes really good. It does. It's very soft. It's delicious. The flavors is in there. So you can do it on the stove or you can do it in the oven. I know sometimes Thanksgiving and Christmas comes around and stuff like that. You guys don't have room in the oven, but this is a good idea to substitute on the stove. Well, I hope you guys enjoy yourself. Have a wonderful holiday. Be safe. And thank you for watching.